All right, in this week's Ask the Vet, we're talking about Rescue Cat Awareness Month. It's designed to raise awareness about homeless cats and kittens and encourage adoptions. Dr. Christian Broadhurst joins us now with ways you can prepare yourself, if you want to adopt or even foster. It's just so important. They're so cute. Dr. Broadhurst, why is it so important?
Well, it certainly is life-changing for both you and the animal that you're going to rescue. And I love dogs, but I love cats just about this much more. So I am myself a little bit of a cat person, so this is a really exciting topic for me. It is important. Cats are far outnumber the dogs when it comes to euthanasia in our country due to lack of space. So bringing a cat into your home is a wonderful thing to do.
I think sometimes the amount of people that I know that a cat has kind of just fallen into their lap in a way, and that's how they ended up rescuing it. What is it important to do, first off, to decide whether you're ready for a cat? How much time does it take? What do you need? And then what should you do when you get a cat?
Well, if you're thinking about bringing a cat into your home, but you're not entirely sure, one of the best ways you can go about that is contact a local shelter or rescue agency and try what's called foster to adopt. So you can foster the animal, and if you guys get along well, then you can move on to an adoption. What it takes for your house is you're certainly going to want to kitten-proof your house, just like you're child-proofing your house. Kittens and cats get up on things, so it's important to know that they're going to be knocking things off if you have delicates or valuables towards the edge of ledges. And there are also certainly a lot of toxic things in the house, certain flowers, vases, chemicals that you need to be sure are safely away before you bring an animal and a kitten into your house.
Why, we hear so much that it's so important to spay and neuter these animals. Why is it?
It is extremely important that you have your animals spayed or neutered for the multiple reasons, but most importantly is a pet overpopulation problem, where there are still millions of cats, especially, being euthanized in this country for lack of space. If you go through a rescue agency, they will be spayed or neutered before you get a hold of them, so you will never even have to worry about that.
And how early can kittens be spayed?
Depending on the place you talk to, some shelters are spaying as early as 2 months. Average is 4 to 6 months, but cats can come into heat as early as 6 months in certain situations. And we certainly want to beat that situation. So 4 months is pretty ideal.
I will say maybe if someone is not ready to necessarily bring a cat into their home, but they see a litter out there and, they just want to do the right thing. What do you recommend?
We can also do what's called foster finder through a lot of shelter organizations. And if you find a litter of kittens or 2 or 3, and you may not want to keep them permanently, but you want to raise them, very often the shelter will provide you with, medical supplies, bottles, formula, whatever it takes, depending on how old the cats are. And when they're old enough to go back into the system, get spayed and neutered and adopted, they'll go right to the organization you've been in contact with.
Dr. Christian Broadhurst, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
We'll be right back.